Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life, and today we are collaborating. November's National Pepper Month, so thanks to John Barry from Okie Smokin' for this collaboration. Make sure you watch all the other videos for pepper recipes. I'll have a link below for you. I have chose to make a salsa, and here are the ingredients that you need. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have a food processor here, and if you don't have a food processor, you're going to want to cut everything up. And how this works is if you haven't already diced up an onion, you will want to start with the things that are the hardest, that need to be diced up the most. And I am going to use a jalapeno pepper, and I am going to remove the seeds from here. You could keep them in if that's what you want. And I don't necessarily want the seeds in there because I don't want it super spicy. But if you want it really spicy, you go ahead and do that, and you can add in as much pepper as you want. I am not super, I have family members that are not super adventurous, so we're just going to add in about half of the pepper. And to that, I am also going to add in onions. Now, if your onion isn't already chopped up, even better, because you're going to want to check the consistency of how chunky you want this. And you can make it as chunky as you want, and as fine as you want, depending on how many times you revolve your food processor and spin it. So let me go ahead and get started with that, and then we will add in the diced tomatoes and the seasoning. Let's go ahead and gently pulse. And you can see that's pretty well diced. Don't necessarily need to do it anymore. Unless you want to, then you can run it a few more times. But this is salsa, so we don't want it super fine. I'll give it a couple more pulses here. That's good. And you can see how it looks. That's pretty good. Nice bitey. And I like the amount of jalapeno I have in there. And the beauty of this is if you taste it and you want more jalapeno, you can add in more. If you want more seasoning in, you can add in more too. If you want more onion, add in more. So it's just a really forgiving recipe. So let's go ahead and get this in a bowl and start mixing everything together. Take your spatula and just get all of that out, or as much as possible. All right, beautiful. Go ahead and add in your tomatoes, and these are diced tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes. A large tomato works perfect. And you can use the canning kind, the round kind, or you can use Roma, whichever you prefer. And then we've got our seasoning here, and I'll put that in the description, and you can just go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons. It's kind of spicy. It does have paprika and cumin in it, so you can mix it to your liking. Oh, can you smell that? Oh, can you smell that? Oof, it smells delicious. So this is well mixed. Let's go ahead and get the chips, and we can plate. Let's go ahead and add our chips. And this is kind of like I'm not sharing with you kind of portion. It's all mine. And we can fill this up with the salsa. Get a little, oh yeah, there we go. Isn't that perfect? Wow, that's good. And the longer you let that sit, the seasonings get in there, and this is perfect. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite jalapeno or pepper recipe that you enjoy. So delicious.